No matter how it is, this is, I'm telling you that there is some part of this hand that not circulate your blood with other people.
Organism pa.
Yeah, the organism. Organism means not organization. Organization means
That organism.
organism is a part. It's when you say organism, there's life. Organization, it's institution, isn't it?
Yes.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Why?
understand.
What's so funny?
Yeah,
What's
no,
the
not funny. Nothing funny at all. Continue.
Inuto niyo ako daraw maging
Very bold.
Right?
Okay.